Hello traders, welcome to another video in this tutorial series. This video is a correction to the create rectangle function which we created in tutorial 2 when we were talking about fair value gaps, and we used the function again in tutorial 9, order blocks and invalidation. We will be deleting this create rectangle function and the delete rectangle function that comes with it, and in their place we would be using the object create and object delete function. The reason for this is because it has been brought to my attention by one of my followers that while the function creates while it plots the rectangle in the visual strategy tester, it doesn't plot these rectangles on the live charts. Thank you for bringing this to my notice. You know who you are. A big shout out to you. So I have forked the code. I have corrected it in this new version. So in this original version, we created the create function and the create rectangle and delete rectangle function, which we used to create this order block and invalidation logic. So now in this new version, I'm going to post the link to GitHub. You can see I have deleted the create rectangle and delete rectangle function, and in its place, I used the object create function. So I just used the object create function, and for the other blocks, the same thing. I just used the object create function. This is it here again, the object create function, and for the invalidation, I just used the object delete function. So I'm going to post the link to this new code. I'm going to post it below this video. Let's correct this. Then we talk about rejection blocks and how to use structure. So I hope you enjoyed this. Remember to correct this in your code. So we will need this version for the new set of functions we need to create. So get this updated in your main code.